everybody. I can only assume with the amount of spray that I'm looking at right now that this is a scalar weapon. This is not seeding clouds. Okay, this is not for weather. Okay, look how thick this stuff is. This is definitely a shield. For those of you guys that know about Nikola Tesla and done your homework, know that the scalar weapons are real. Take a good look, you guys. Hope you've been getting ready and got your food stocked up, because when this shit goes down, it's going to get crazy. People are talking already to China's in Pakistan, helping them starting to train, get their military in order. Russia's going into Syria. We just need Iran and Israel to pop off, man, and it's a go. So please, take a look at this. For all the naysayers that still don't believe chemtrails are real, you need to wake the fuck up. There is literally not a cloud in the sky. All that you're looking at is spray. Thank you for your time. This is Covered in Love. Okay, man, this is probably about 3 hours later on this next video. They are spraying overtime today, you guys. Something's going down. Just so I can finish off the day so that my constituents and other people fill those lines. Look at that right there. All you people, no excuses. Okay? At the end of the day, man, you've been watching it all day long. This is over a 6-7 hour period total.